Have you ever wondered why some houseplants recover after just one simple natural treatment while others keep struggling? The secret may already be in your cupboard. Take 1 liter of water and add 1 spoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric contains natural compounds along with minerals like potassium, phosphorus, iron, zinc, copper, and manganese that help support healthier roots and encourage stronger plant growth. It also contains natural phytoncides that help create a cleaner environment around the roots by discouraging harmful microbes. Stir the mixture well for about 1 minute so the turmeric spreads evenly through the water. This helps every drop carry the nutrients more evenly, giving your plants a consistent feed. Now strain the mixture to remove any particles, then mix it with 3 more liters of water. This makes the solution gentle enough for regular use on most houseplants. Pour a small amount around the base of each plant until the soil is lightly moist. Avoid soaking the pot. You can also lightly spray the leaves, as the diluted solution helps keep foliage fresh and supports overall plant health. Apply this treatment once every 3 to 4 weeks for the best results. With regular care, your houseplants can develop stronger roots, healthier leaves, and steady new growth. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening.